Welcome to some more of that Motown groove, some of that Jamerson language. Today we're going to learn a little bass lick, a 4-measure phrase, a little A part, a B part, back to the A part and a C part. Typical question, answer to create a phrase. This is a phrase out of the new book, the What Makes Motown Bass Motown. This is actually number 26. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to teach you each phrase separately, and then we'll put it together and I'll play it with a little play along. You can groove along with me, okay? Here's the first phrase. Three, four. Three, four. I'm going to make a little loop out of it, okay? Understand I'm ending on the downbeat of the next measure. So here we go. Loop it. 3 and 4 and. Cool, that's pretty easy. You probably got it. If not, just rewind this thing over and over. Put it in a little loop and do it over and over the video, okay? Second phrase. 3, 4. Looping it. Let's do that one slow. Hear that mute? Back to the looping tempo. 3 and 4 and. Let's do the measure 1 and 2 loop together. 3, 4. Repeat. Cool. By the way, I got my little mutes in here. Actually, I'm playing one of my new basses too. Cool. A 1970p. Boy, does this thing sound and feel good. Totally authentic, except a refinish. Nice refinish. Measure 3 now, excuse me, is the same as measure 1. Remember, we have the phrases A, B, A, C. So here's that A. Sure, we already learned that. Now, the fourth measure, which is the third phrase, is here. Slow motion. I screwed it up. Again. Again. Let's loop that. 3 and 4 and. Isn't this just classic Jamerson stuff? Sounds just right out of a dozen different songs he used this phrase in. Now, perhaps the trickiest part is getting from that third phrase to the fourth one. The third one looks like this. Then we have to jump to here. Let's do measures 3 and 4 a little bit. I'll loop it. 3 and 4 and. Cool. Got the idea? I'll play it the whole thing together here in just a minute. We'll loop that and practice a little bit. I want to mention a couple things about articulation. I don't write that much articulation in the notation of this stuff, but it is there. Some of the notes are short, some of them are long. I recommend you simply listen to Jamerson and you'll start to get a feel and hear that. If you don't pay attention or draw your own attention to the articulation, you tend just to sort of not be aware of it. I mean, you hear it, but you have a hard time being aware of it when you play it. It's a funny thing. When we talk, when we speak, all of us, we use dynamics and articulation, and we make phrases. But when we play, we have to draw our attention to that and learn to do it. So just listen to how I do it in the lesson here and then copy it. And of course, copy Jamerson. So let's do measure 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, that's phrase A, phrase B, phrase A, and then C. We'll loop it a few times. 3 and 4 and... Cool. Now I'm going to make that we're going to go to that video of where I'm playing at a little faster tempo and with the drum groove. Just jump in. And by the way, if you're stumbling, that means you don't have the little individual parts down. I'm pretty amazed when people say, I just can't seem to do this or I can't seem to do that. Well, that's because you got to go back and work on the fundamentals. So in this case, you need to learn each separate phrase and just play it over and over and over. Maybe take it around the cycle of fourths. You have to do it enough until it gets muscle memory, then you can put them together. Let's go to that video now.